Hello friends. This book that we're reading is Catch Me, a Thomas the Tank Engine story. Gordon is big, Gordon is blue. Thomas the Tank Engine is blue too. I am fast and you are slow. I will race you. Go, go, go. You will not catch me. You are too slow. Catch me, go, go, go. I will catch you. I will. Even over a big, big hill. Here is a bridge. Slow down. Go slow. Can Thomas catch Gordon? Go, go, go. Over the bridge, Gordon is fast, Gordon is first, and Thomas is last. Here is a stop, slow down, go slow. Catch me, go, go, go. Up the hill, will Gordon stop? No, not even, at the top. Here comes Thomas, up the hill, I will catch you, I will. Down comes Gordon, down the hill. Catch me, I will. Catch me if you can. But Thomas has a big, big plan. Will Thomas go up to the top? Thomas the Tank Engine comes to a stop. Look, a tunnel for me. A tunnel Gordon did not see. I may be slow, but you may be fast. But I am first and you are last. It says, turn the page for mini learning cards. Instructions on the inside of the back cover of this book will tell you how to use them with a child. If you want to pause the video and look at this with your kids and then read them, that's a good way to practice them. It says, mini learning cards. See the note to parents on the inside back cover for ways to use the cards with your child. It's a good practice with some sight words. If you want to pause it, you can. And this is just how to use the mini learning cards. You can make matches. It says you could do riddles. You can build sentences. The basketball cards and concentration and make a workbook. You could pause that if you want to read each section of it. And that'd be good practice. Thank you for listening. Subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like button. I appreciate it. And check out my other videos. I've got a bunch of other videos too. Thank you again.